Amazon wrapped up a big week of tech earnings. The e-commerce giant reported profit well above expectations. Revenue also beat estimates, and it grew 13% in the quarter. Amazon's cloud segment slightly missed forecasts, though the company saw better than expected ad sales. We've now heard from Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, and Amazon, and Apple earnings come next week. Joining us now for his take on what we've seen and what's to come, Dan Flax, Neuberger, Berman, senior research analyst, and you always have such a sunny disposition about all things tech. Was there anything concerning in the outlook or the past 3 months for any of these companies at this point, Dan, or just buy them all?
Joe, we remain selective when investing in the technology sector. I think what we're seeing this earnings season is continued pressure from cyclical headwinds, but these companies are navigating them. So if we see what Amazon said last night, they're continuing to deliver value to customers in their cloud business. They've been investing tens of billions a year annually in their e-commerce business, and they're driving value or delivering value to customers. So we continue to like that name, and we continue to like Google, particularly here on this pullback, where we see they're reinventing search once again. That business is accelerating. YouTube is accelerating. And I'll round it out with Apple, where there are clearly headwinds that are impacting the consumer, but we think they're executing on their product cycles, and the iPhone install base is continuing to grow, which sets the company up well for next year, in my view.
Would you say that in terms of advertising, and that's not to the companies that we're talking about now, it means more to some than to others, but what's the state of the digital advertising business from what you could see from what companies said and what they said about the future?
The digital advertising market is facing a lot of cross currents in the very near term. Clearly, war and geopolitical turmoil has an impact on brand advertising budgets and the general level of confidence. But what we're seeing, and the reason when we speak to advertisers why they're continuing to invest there, is that the ability to hone in on what customers or potential customers may want is incredibly valuable. And so that sets up digital advertising nicely as we think about the year ahead, because the tools, the ability to infuse artificial intelligence to drive better insights, better outcome for users on one side and advertisers on the other, sets this business up well, even in the face of these cross currents.
Tell us about Apple and what we should be paying attention to.
We're going to look for how the iPhone cycle is unfolding. It's still relatively early, and there are concerns certainly about demand levels, given some of the challenges consumers are facing. China, I think, remains difficult, but I think China remains attractive longer term. The other thing we'll be focusing on is the acceleration of the services business. And if we step back and think what's happened here, Apple has continually reinvented itself. Think about the iPod over 20 years ago. We've had the iPhone. They've reinvented the Mac. We'll probably learn about new Macs next week. Wearables, I think, is a very interesting category with a lot of growth. So we continue to like the name, driven by the diversification of the growth drivers and continued innovation.
I mean, I know it's titanium. I see Common saying how he wants a titanium, and Jason Bateman, titanium. But why would I buy a new phone if I'm going to put a case on it anyway, just because it's titanium?
The titanium devices are lighter, and it's not just the device, it's the hardware, the software. It's this integration, Joe. It's the full package delivered to you in a secure, fun way. And so I think that is why customers value it. I told you are a rosy
optimist. Oh my God, you're better than Common in terms of selling.
Trying to be a realist, Joe. I think Apple's balanced a lot of the cross currents. They play offense and they play defense where needed.